Happy New Year, everybody, and it is 2020. We are right back at it again at Pearson International Airport. This is going to be the very first travel vlog of the new decade. We are going to be heading to see our friends in Vancouver at the Bites Institute and check out the Comprehensive Implant Residency Module 2. This is about surgical implant planning as well as the CBCT workshop. So I don't want to ruin or spoil anything, but we do have some special guests on this vlog this time around. So sit back and enjoy the show. Finally arrived in Vancouver. We just got to the hotel and I'm starving, so let's grab something to eat.